Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. In today's video, I will show you how to install a double device and fire alarm system, the smoke detector and heat detector in one line. See you guys.
This is addressable fire alarm system. Now, the wiring of looping system from, in and out. This box is in point. And this is also out points going to FACP panel. This fire alarm device is located at the Electrica substation. What is the importance of fire alarm system? Fire alarm system means fire alarm system is a building system designed to detect and alert occupants and emergency forces of the presence of smoke, fire, carbon monoxide. This is the smoke detector device. And this is also the heat detector device. The termination plus sign is positive and minus sign is negative. The color of the positive is red and the negative is black.
Hindi ka man aja sa kapiri kaya kuwag picture isil. Hindi ka man asa duha aja sa kapiri ang picturean kay isin yun.
And now, the smoke detector device is done. And the heat detector also.
And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like and share. Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.